Hi everyone, we're here in Arisio campus and we'll be going around asking different interview question to the student that we find. Let's go! Hello! Is it fine if we can interview you?
Yes, sure.
Nice! So, what's your name and program?
My name is Irish Balagaya from Bachelor in Science and Environmental Science, first year.
My name is Charlene Balcos and my program is Environmental Science.
So, my first question is, why environmental science?
Okay, so for me, why environmental science? Because it is very crucial in our sustainable innovation. Also in freshman because it's very exploring in our environmental
Nice,
as a
ang galing.
freshman because marami pa tayong matutunan at masasaksihan about sa ating environment for this course. So very optional sa ating mga freshmen or not even in our freshman but outside in our campus.
No choice.
Next question is, paano mo ba ma-encourage ang mga incoming first year students?
So, ma-encourage ko ang students first year, next year, sasabihin na lang natin, this program is very crucial in our sustainable innovation. So, hindi naman sa kailangan, pero maganda talaga siyang course kasi marami pa tayong matutunan at marami pa tayong malaman na solusyon kung paano natin magkakaroon ng successful environment, kung baga magkakaroon patuloy yung sinasabi nating sustainable innovation sa ating community and sa ating environment. At very helpful siya sa ating pamumuhay because nalaman natin dito kung paano natin magawa ng paraan ang bawat bagay na nangyari sa ating kapaligiran at paano natin ito masolusyonan.
Our last question is, are you single or taken?
I'm single
Half taken, half single.
And why?
because being single is very stress-free and syempre, inuuna muna natin yung ating academics kaysa dyan sa mga ganyan-ganyan.
So, yun lang po yung katanungan ko, no? So, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So thank you po.